What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best spin mops in 2023. Through the comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for the best spin mops for your home, and you'll know exactly the best product for you by the end of this video. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The SpotZero by Milton Prime Spin Mop Bucket on Wheels Set. This innovative floor cleaning and mopping system is packed with features that are sure to make your cleaning routine a breeze. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the materials used. The SpotZero Prime Spin Mop Bucket is made of durable plastic and steel, ensuring its longevity. The vibrant aqua green color adds a touch of style to your cleaning arsenal. One standout feature of this mop is its microfiber cleaning technology. The microfiber refills are not only durable but also offer superior water absorbency. They are non-abrasive and lint-free, making them safe to use on various floor surfaces. Plus, they have a larger surface area for more efficient cleaning. The SpotZero Prime Spin Mop Bucket has an oval shape with a drainage system, allowing you to easily empty and clean the bucket. It also has separate compartments for cleaning and wringing, ensuring hygienic and effective cleaning operations. The extendable mop handle is a game changer. With its 360-degree movement, you can reach those tricky corners and under furniture effortlessly. The sturdy steel wringer ensures efficient water removal from the mop, leaving your floors practically dry. And here's a bonus feature. The SpotZero Prime Spin Mop Bucket comes with a convenient liquid dispenser. You can add your preferred cleaning solution to the dispenser, allowing you to tackle stubborn stains and grime with ease. In conclusion, the SpotZero by Milton Prime Spin Mop Bucket on Wheels Set is a fantastic cleaning tool. Its durable construction, microfiber cleaning technology, and user-friendly design make it a must-have for any household. Whether you're cleaning wet or dry messes, this mop has got you covered. With its multi-purpose use and ease of storage and transport, you'll find yourself reaching for it again and again. So go ahead and give it a try. Number 4. The Hurricane Spin Mop, brought to you by Bulbhead. This isn't just any mop, it's a complete cleaning system that will change the way you tackle those dirty floors. Let's get started. The Hurricane Spin Mop is the next-generation mop and bucket system that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. No more touching dirty, unsafe mop heads or getting on your hands and knees. This system effortlessly spins away germ-filled dirty water, making your cleaning process hygienic and hassle-free. One of the standout features of this mop is its super-absorbent spinning microfiber mop head. These microfiber fingers pick up liquid and messes instead of just pushing them around. They can hold up to 10 times their weight in dirty liquid, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Plus, the gross liquid stays trapped inside the microfiber and doesn't drip, keeping your floors dry and streak-free. And here's something that will save you from back-breaking work. The Hurricane Spin Mop lays flat, allowing you to reach under furniture without having to move a thing. It effortlessly maneuvers into every nook and cranny, including baseboards and tight spaces that your old mop could never reach. Not only is this mop great for regular cleaning, but it's also a powerful hard surface cleaner. You can use it on various surfaces like tile, wood, laminate, and more. Simply add your favorite cleaning concentrate or bleach to the spin bucket to thoroughly disinfect your floors and sanitize your home. So, if you're tired of traditional mops that just spread the mess around, it's time to upgrade to the Hurricane Spin Mop. Its innovative features, super absorbent microfiber mop head, and easy maneuverability make it a game changer in the world of cleaning. Say goodbye to backaches and hello to a spotless home. Number 3. The Velletta Easy Wring and Clean Microfiber Mop and Bucket with Power Spin Wringer. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to clean your floors, then this might just be the product for you. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about the key feature of this mop and bucket set, the Easy Wring function. With just a simple press of the foot pedal, you can effortlessly spin the mop head and remove dirt and water. This saves you valuable time and energy, making mopping a breeze. I must say, I'm really impressed with how well the microfiber mop head performs. It's incredibly absorbent, meaning it not only tackles everyday dirt but also takes care of greasy and stubborn stains. No need to worry about leaving any residue behind. What I love about this mop is its triangular-shaped head. It allows me to reach into those tricky corners and easily pivot under furniture, ensuring a thorough clean in every nook and cranny. Plus, the microfiber mop head is easily removable for cleaning and can be washed at temperatures of up to 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring hygienic use every time. Cleaning the mop head is a breeze too. Simply detach it from the mop handle, pop it into the washing machine, and you're good to go. It's great to know that I can maintain a clean and fresh mop head with ease. In summary, the Valletta Easy Wring and Clean Microfiber Mop and Bucket with Power Spin Wringer is a fantastic cleaning companion. The Easy Wring feature saves you time and effort, while the absorbent microfiber mop head ensures a thorough and efficient clean. The triangular shape and pivoting head allow you to reach every corner and crevice. And with the removable and washable mop head, you can maintain a hygienic cleaning routine effortlessly. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or just want to simplify your household chores, this product is definitely worth considering. Number 2. The HAPINNEX Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set, a game changer when it comes to home kitchen floor cleaning. If you've been struggling with traditional mops and buckets, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. First off, let's talk about the 2022 upgrade that HAPINNEX has made to this set. They've completely revamped the handle and are offering 3 free mop head replacements within the first year of purchase. That's some impressive customer service. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The Easy Press system is the star of the show here. With just one push of the handle against the bucket spinner, you can effortlessly spin off excess water from the mop head. This means no more strenuous wringing or wasting time. Even junior or senior family members can handle this with ease. One of the biggest gripes with traditional mops is the messy splash spray while spin drying. But fear not, HAPINNEX has you covered with their detachable Splash Guard stainless steel wringer basket. It ensures that all the water stays in the bucket, leaving your floors clean and dry without excessive spatter. Let's talk design. This mop is built with ergonomics in mind. The 360-degree swivel head rotates up to 180 degrees, allowing you to effortlessly clean under furniture and along baseboards. Plus, the spin washer helps you tackle those tough, stuck-on stains. And with the anti-slip bucket hand grip, you won't have any trouble carrying it around. As an added bonus, HAPINNEX includes 2 absorbent refills and an extra cleaning brush accessory. They really have thought of everything to make your cleaning experience a breeze. And here's the best part. Unlike other buckets on the market, this one is self-balanced thanks to its EasyWring technology. No more spills or leaks when you're moving around the house. It's sturdy, reliable, and hassle-free. So there you have it, folks. The HAPINNEX Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set is a true game changer. With its innovative features, ergonomic design, and excellent customer service, this is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine. Say goodbye to traditional mops and hello to a sparkling clean home in no time. Number 1. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional mopping, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. One of the standout features of this mop is the hands-free wringing. With its built-in wringer, you can easily wring out excess water without having to touch the mop head. Plus, the splash guard keeps water from splashing or spraying outside the bucket, even when you're moving it around. The microfiber mop head is not only machine washable, but it's also reusable. It effectively captures dirt and grime with just plain water, so you can eliminate the need for harsh chemicals. This makes it safe for all types of hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, and vinyl. Thanks to its patented triangle mop head and 360-degree rotation, the EasyWring mop can reach those tough-to-clean corners, areas under furniture, and alongside baseboards. You'll be able to tackle even the most hard-to-reach spots with ease. Now here's the best part. Each EasyWring refill lasts up to 3 months of cleaning. This means you'll save time and money with longer-lasting mop head replacements. The telescopic handle extends up to 48 inches, allowing anyone to mop comfortably without bending over. It's perfect for people of all heights. What I love about this microfiber mop is that it easily attracts and locks in dirt, dust, pet hair, and even dried-on or sticky messes. It's far more effective than traditional cotton wet mops. You can use it wet or dry for mopping or dusting, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. In conclusion, the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System is a game changer when it comes to hassle-free mopping. Its hands-free wringing, machine-washable mop head, and ability to reach into corners make it a must-have cleaning tool for any home. Say goodbye to strenuous mopping and hello to a cleaner, more convenient way of keeping your floors sparkling. So that wraps up our list of the best spin mops. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Lock family. We've got lots more videos coming your way into. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.